Hey guys, thanks for joining me. Today we're taking a look at the carry case for the Pokéball Plus Controller. So here it is. The outside's an EVA material that's water resistant and shock proof. Smooth to the touch, but easy to keep a grip of. It'll keep your Pokéball protected. It's lightweight and compact and will fit in your bag with ease and keep your Pokéball safe and protected from scratches when it comes into contact with keys, coins and other rough objects. If you want quick and easy access, let's say you just got to a Pokestop and you need to get more Pokeballs, the carabiner gives you convenient access to your Pokéball Plus, allowing you to clip onto your backpack, keychain, belt loop or wherever you find it useful. The inside is made from a soft, non-abrasive material and has a thick rim to keep the zip away from your Pokeball. The top compartment has this mesh netting, perfect for storing the Pokeball's hand strap. So that's the Orzly carry case for the Pokéball Plus controller. A compact, lightweight case that will keep your Pokeball protected when you're gaming on the go. An absolute must-have for any Pokeball Plus owner or any Pokemon fan. Like and share this video with anyone you think will find it useful. Also, follow us on social media if you want to see more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.